Nganong kasagaran sa malaki dinhi sa Bulacau. Lamig kuno ko. Nakatilaw ka na to? I may have the most beautiful face among the candidates. I may have most the beautiful pure body among the candidates. And I may not have the most intelligent among them. But I am proud to be me. And this is me. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ang iniwanan ni Daniel Padilla. I'm stand by the name of Miss Catherine Bernardo. I'm 19 years old. I'm 19 years old, young of age, and I'm still virgin.